What's going on, family? It's your Renaissance Hustler, Black Feniks, checking in from HogOnWelding. I wanted to give you an update about my welding and hip-hop seminar. So, the flyer says about the artists. Artist Black Feniks created this seminar to help educate the millennials on welding independence and promoting their hip-hop. Once he realized the need for the welders and the growth of hip-hop in the U.S., he embraced his skills and talents as a welder and a rapper to teach others how to make money welding and promoting their hip-hop through the 3 myths of welding, independence of welding, being a business individual product. And this is sponsored by HogOn. So my idea with this seminar is to be able to educate millennials, different people who are not millennials, people who just want to know more about welding, how to get into it without going through all the loopholes of thinking I gotta have a high school diploma, or I gotta go to school, or I got to invest this money, it got to be this way. I'm gonna show you a simpler way to do it to save you money, save you time, and actually get you a career or a business off the ground. Either way, it's going to be life-changing, and you'll be able to invest in your future to do a lot of different things that you want to do. So the seminar isn't that expensive. It's $25 a seat, and the class is going to last for around an hour, 2 hours, between an hour or two, and we will have some refreshments there. I'm going to try to kick these off once a month, starting out, then hopefully twice a week. But once a month right now, and we're going to try to kick them off in different areas where I can be able to educate my brothers, sisters who really want to get this. And like I say, money holds no hate. I always say that. I always say to get your hog on. And I realized that I had to learn the game the hard way. I had everything I have got up to this point. It's been the hard way. That's why my shirts and things I have say live to be remembered, because I'm actually out here doing this. I'm bumping my head, picking myself up. And a lot of this stuff that I have been learning is just because of the system. And some of it was because of some mistakes I made in the past that I just have to deal with now. You see what I'm saying? So it could have been more opportunities, but due to, life, you have to just roll with the punches. So don't count yourself out just because you have to go a different route. But one thing I learned, just because we all count to 10, there's many ways to get to 10. You can say 8 plus 2. You can go 5 plus 5. You can go 4 plus 6. You can go 9 plus 1. It goes on. But we're trying to get to a goal, which is to get educated, which is to grow a business and be able to live a better life. HogOn, Black Feniks. I'm out.